Sparks dance across the night. White text shines into existence, and an ASL interpreter dressed in simple black begins signing. All hail, ye of might and valor. The text fades, and new text appears with each line. This October, the logo for New York Comic Con swoops in and then flies out. Join us for the most inclusive TTRPG experience ever. Test your mettle in 3 fierce one-shot adventures. ASL interpretation, live captioning, and described action at every game. But it's dangerous to go alone. Forge new friendships at the table. Band together to solve puzzles and vanquish foes. Reserve your spot at the table and get game-specific details to build your character. Walk-ins welcome. Inclusion makes everyone stronger. The ASL interpreter lifts her arms, signing the word stronger, and her simple garb transforms into her superhero outfit. She senses danger, raises her right fist, and flies off with purpose and a good-humored smile, her cape flapping in the wind. The scene fades to white and reveals a graphic of a globe framed by a leafy branch. In the foreground, 2 hands come together, creating the ASL sign for inclusion. The words Inclusive Communication Services appear to the right, completing the ICS logo.